G'day everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. Well, our Home Free Friday this week is one that I've not heard before. So this is going to be I Like the Sound of That by Rascal Flatts. So Home Free is covering this. So let's jump in and let's see what they do. I don't know this song from Rascal Flatts at all. So let's see what they do.
Shower, turn on, bet there's nothing but a towel on you. You sing along with some Timberlake bumping, but he ain't got nothing on you. I don't wanna hear the coffee pouring, a goodbye kiss, then locking the door. Yeah, sounds like leaving you. Oh, it's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place. Wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone. I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say come on over, 'cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound. I like the sound of that. Love the sound of the thunder rolling. It makes you move a little closer to me. And girl, I bet that your neighbors hate us, 'cause we could laugh all night and never sleep. We can worry about the world in the morning. Light up a candle, lock the door. Wanna stay right here with you. Yes, I do. It's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place. Wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone. I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say come on over, 'cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound. I like the sound of that. Turn your radio on, baby, turn down the light. I ain't going nowhere, I'm all yours tonight. It's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place. Wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone. I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say come on over, 'cause when you tell me to come on over, I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound. I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound. I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound. I like the sound of that. Oh, 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 I like the sound. I like the sound of that.
Ah, that's a sweet song, isn't it? That's a sweet song. And Home Free always throws in that little bit of fun, those faculty photographs. I love the one for Adam. It's just all the noises that he makes. Home Free are always fun. They're always fun. So I like that. That was very good. That was very good. They never put a foot wrong. Home Free never put a foot wrong. I obviously haven't checked out the original Rascal Flatts. I think we may have only done one Rascal Flatts song, maybe two. I can't remember, but we had definitely not done that one before. So, as I said, Home Free, very sweet song, very sweet. I love the interaction of the teachers there, the librarian and the other teachers. So, I'm a sucker for a love story. I'm a big softie at heart. So, definitely. Well, that's another story for another day. Let's not go down that lane. So, but guys, let me know what you thought of it. Let me know if you're enjoying Home Free Fridays. Definitely going to keep going for a little while yet. We got a lot of back catalogue to catch up on. A lot of songs I haven't heard before. Some I wouldn't mind revisiting now that I kind of know the band a little bit more. You know, kind of done the reactions for a couple of years now. So I wouldn't mind revisiting some of the earlier ones and kind of see if I get a different perspective on it. I wouldn't mind doing that either. So let me know what you guys think of that idea too. So, but thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Definitely enjoyed it. More coming next week. Definitely more coming next week. So stick out for those two. And obviously we'll catch up with the new ones when they drop as well too. So, but guys, in the meantime, make sure you stay safe wherever you are. And I'll definitely see you in the next reaction video.